Maria, could you describe shortly what the situation for journalists is like in Bulgaria nowadays?
Uh, I, the situation of the Bulgarian journalist is, in our opinion, is getting worse and worse. I'm not saying that it is a typically Bulgarian problem. The whole media sector is in crisis, as we know, with the crisis in the advertisement sector, with the rise of the internet. So the the media is more private and is funding itself through advertising. But in our opinion, the biggest problem is the corporate interest in journalism, because the most of the media with big turnover are owned by big corporations. So there is the problem of self-censorship. We don't think that it's that much a policy that is being forced by the government, for example, but the big media groups depend on advertising, so there are some unofficial rules.
What kind of unspoken rules are there? What is, for example, forbidden?
Well, I'm quite sure that there are not. It isn't said anywhere that you can write about some big company or you cannot, but you cannot write. Some journalists, even by themselves, they self-censor themselves so that they don't find out controversial information about big advertisers, or if there is some big movement against some governmental policy, for example.
You've founded a journalistic association to solve the problems. What are your main aims?
We founded the Bulgarian branch of Association of European Journalists 2 years ago. Our aims are to show the problems in the journalistic profession here in Bulgaria and to work against them, to provide tools for independent and quality journalism and to support such journalism.